Good morning from Evans Notch. See, we've made quite a mess. Doesn't take me long. So far the water tank is holding up, doing its job. Things like that. Bathroom's doing well. Neighbor's still running his generator. Got the coffee on. He's doing some other we're going to do things a little differently. We're going to be doing a walk before breakfast. I want to go find that Mica Mine. The Mica Mine out there, the abandoned Mica Mine. I really want to find that. I want to try to do that early before it gets too warm. Let's see, what is it right now? 69 degrees already. And as you can see, my cooler is getting awfully warm too, so I gotta see if I can find some ice for that too. But my plan is to do the Mica Mine, which is less than half a mile from here, so it shouldn't be that big a deal once I actually get moving on it. So I'm going to go find that. And then I'm going to come back, have breakfast, clean up, and things like that. Then I'll start cleaning this place up, because tomorrow I got to go home, so I got to get all this packed up and put away. So I'll get this cleaned up, maybe do another video tour of my campsite set up, and just do some stuff around the campground today. Not sure what the weather's going to do. I got to get caught up on the weather forecast too, but it sounds like I may be getting wet for the drive home tomorrow. Not going to be fun, but we'll deal with it. We found the abandoned Mica Mine. There's some road work going on down the street from here too, unfortunately. But here it is. A pretty neat find out here. Couple of nice caverns here. A lot of stuff on the ground. Nice looking rocks. It's actually, apparently this is actually not in the National Forest at the moment. We're actually on somebody's private property here. But they allow people to use it with permission. Well, they give people permission to come up here. If you actually want to do any digging or anything, you actually have to contact the landowner, and they'll actually let you dig in here with permission. I thought that was pretty neat. There's some interesting artifacts in here. Well, a pretty cool place. I'm glad I came down here. Or up here, actually. Supposedly there's a geocache here, but that area didn't look too promising. It looks like it was in a landslide, so we'll check on that shortly. But some really nice rocks. I like this one right here. Try to bring that home with me. Cool place, though. I'm going to want to revisit here next time I'm up this way. I come up here when it's cooler weather, though. It's way too hot. I see people are here. Come up here and do stuff up here, but cool place to visit. I'm glad I came here. Back from the Mica Mines. That was a fun walk. I did it early today. I wanted to get out there before it got too warm, which is good because it's getting warm. What is it now? Already 74 degrees out here, and it's only like 10 o'clock. So, time to have some breakfast finally. I'm going to make some French toast today. I already have some really well done bacon ready to go. And yeah, a couple of trinkets from the Mica Mine right there. And we're going to make up some French toast. One last thing I got to do before I go home that I always do when I come to this campground. I got to walk to Maine. This is the state line for New Hampshire. A bug in my face again. And there's the state line for Maine. And of course, if the state line to Maine is over there, and the state line to New Hampshire is over there, does that make this the neutral zone? This is the Maine sign. Welcome to beautiful Maine. And there's New Hampshire over there, so Must be the neutral zone. Let's see what's in here. Other than probably more bugs. There's another interesting site out here. Just this open orchard right here in the middle of the woods. I think you can see it from here, but there is a house. Here it is. House up there. Not quite sure how you get to it. The people can't get to it, but there must be another road in someplace. Because this is the path to go across that bridge that's closed to get to. There used to be mowed and I could walk all the way up to the house, but it's not right now, so I don't know. I'm not even sure if the house is active. But interesting place, right near the campground. And I gotta get back to the campsite. These mosquitoes are coming out. According to the weather forecast I've heard, we've got some rain moving in overnight, and it's going to be a soggy drive home. Unfortunately, there isn't a whole lot I can do about that, but I am going to start packing the site in a little bit early tonight, try to get as much put away as I can, including hitching the trailer back up and loading my scooter back up onto it tonight. I really don't want to be doing that in the pouring rain tomorrow morning. Take a quick tour of my setup here before I knock it down, though. There's a nice setup here. I got the canopy here, I got the picnic table. Picnic table's at the site, but I got most of it into the canopy. One bench is sitting outside of it, but I'm by myself, so I don't need the whole picnic table. This works out well. The table surface itself and one of the benches is nice and dry. And here the bathroom's been working very well. I've been very satisfied with this setup. All part of my COVID setup here. And close in here. I got the cooler, I got my bed, as usual, messy. Coming around here, this is how I get in and out. I got a nice little floor. I'll be putting some better flooring onto it that somebody gave me. Right here I got my trailer all set to go. Got my antenna mast if I feel like putting up my ham radio antenna. Over here, got some more storage space under the bed on this side that I can access. I've been having fun with it. Looking forward to my next trip there out to Pennsylvania. And this is what I get to wake up to every morning. Nice woods like this, so. Okay. Tonight's planned dinner was going to be haddock and a baked potato. Unfortunately, I screwed up. I remember the potato. I don't have tin foil. Not quite sure how to go about baking the potato. So, Looks like I'm having fish and chips tonight instead. Set the potato aside. Do that later. Got the haddock here. A little defrosted, but oh well. I brought a bag of fries along too. So, I'll cook those up in cast iron pan and some oil, and we'll have myself a nice little feast. Nice, quick and simple dinner. Fish and chips. Some haddock and some fries. All cooked in oil. Not the most nutritious, but it will be good for dinner tonight. Oh, come on. Stupid flies. Shoo. I'm trying to do a video here. Go away.